Yeehaw! Another segment for Pappy's Corner coming up.
A belt and disc sander from Central Machinery. It's got a 4x36 inch belt and a 6-inch disc sander. I'm going to do an unboxing and we'll see what we got. Picked this up at Harbor Freight. Actually, I asked for this for my birthday. So the wife said, go out and get what you want. And here it is. Harbor Freight, $79 I think is what I paid for it. It'd be nice to have a stand made up, or I thought about making a universal stand that would work for, you know, bench grinders and other various power tools. This here is a square, or a protractor I guess you could call it, because it rotates, you know, on angles. So I assume this is so when you're sanding blocks you can have them squared up or on an angle. Hey, it even come with a piece of sandpaper. And of course, I did pull out the instruction book here, and I'll refer to this if I get hung up. You know how it is, it's a guy thing. Last thing you want to do, or that last thing you'll do, is take a look at the instructions, because we can figure stuff out on our own, right? Alright. Oh, there it is, right directly. I'll tip you up and give you an idea what I'm looking at here. See that? Yeah, boy. Let me see, I don't want to take the wrong thing out here. There we go. Some sort of a guard. More stuff like that I pull out, the sooner I'm going to realize to take a look at the instructions, right? And here's a little table that mounts, and it also has a protractor type arrangement where you can loosen it and tip it on angles, right? So after I get done with this unboxing, I'll wrap up this video, and then maybe I'll do another one, you know, to show how it works, get it all set up. You guys don't want to sit there and watch me for an hour and a half scratching my you know what, trying to figure out how to get this thing installed or assembled. There's some more parts. It's like another guard. Set these over here. Since they all came out of the same bag, sometimes it helps to keep them together. Alright, now I think I'm getting down to the unit. A wrench, an open end wrench, and an Allen wrench, hex wrench. Allen is a trade name. Kind of like Kleenex and facial tissue. There we go. Yeah, that looks like, see if I can hold on to that there. The box out of the way. This is basically upside down. Let's turn it right side up. You know what's cool? There's already a belt on here. Now you got my round disc sander there, the 6-inch disc. This here is the front. So I'm going to turn it around so you can get a little better look at the front. Right there it is. Central Machinery. Plugs in with a 110. So I've got some other things to assemble, but there it is right out of the box. This sure is fun stuff, you know, unboxing things and showing them to you. So I'll get this all assembled, and maybe I'll get another video going when I'm working on my project to show you how well it works. So remember, do something nice for someone today. Love you.